Are you a performance marketing expert looking to elevate your freelance game and work with top-tier clients? Then this video is your ultimate guide to becoming a Toptal Performance Marketing member. Let's dive into the application process first. Navigate to the Toptal website and click on the Become a Freelancer button. Focus on the information for performance marketing, showing what is expected. You'll need to create a profile, highlighting your skills, experience, and the areas of performance marketing you specialize in, such as paid search, social media advertising, or SEO. Next, prepare yourself for a rigorous, rewarding screening process. Toptal assesses applicants through multiple steps. You'll undergo a skills evaluation and then a series of tests. Make sure to provide all the necessary documentation. This might take some time, but don't give up. Once your profile is approved, creating your professional account will unlock the door to an amazing experience. Access to amazing clients awaits, allowing you to work on a range of projects that match your skills. You'll gain access to a global network of talent and projects. Your profile is a marketplace to get you found. Follow these steps, and you'll greatly increase your chances of landing a coveted spot as a Toptal Performance Marketing expert. Good luck.